Good morning, friends. Today we test our knowledge of addition with this math test. On this math test, you are going to see some addition with regrouping and some addition without regrouping. I'm going to read through the test since we do have a lot of story problems and kind of help you along with a few little tricks about this. Okay, so we're going to get started. Be sure you have your name at the top. That is, of course, number 1. Your test is called Brick Towers. So let's read our first problem. Some friends are building towers with bricks. Some of the bricks are big, the rest are small. So Tower A, one of the towers built uses 47 bricks. Tower B uses 52 bricks, and Tower C uses 45 bricks. Kumari's favorite tower uses 35 big bricks and 17 small bricks. So they have laid that out for you in picture form. Which tower is Kumari's favorite? Tower A, Tower B, Tower C. Okay, so you need to think, what numbers do I need to add? And what does my answer need to match? It needs to match one of these. And that tower will be Kumari's favorite. And then down here, you can write whether it was A, B, or C, depending on what you got when you did your addition. Now, number 2 is also going to use the information up here. It says how many total bricks are in Tower A and Tower C. So look at Tower A and look at Tower C and think, what is the total? Now, again, this is going to be using our information from up top. Which 2 towers use a total of 99 bricks? So you're going to have to do some addition, and this might be some trial and error. You might add 2 of these towers together, and it does not equal 99. And that tells you you need to choose a different tower. So then you can write the letter of the 2 towers that would add up to 99. Okay? So all of these 3 questions use this information up top about towers. On the back side, Mila made these models to show how many bricks she used to make towers D and E. So here's Tower D, you got your big bricks, your little bricks, Tower E, big bricks, little bricks, kind of like, tens and ones. How many bricks did Mila use to build Tower D? So look at all of this in Tower D. What does all of that add up to? You need to count your tens and then count your ones, and what 2-digit number will you come up with? What is the total number of bricks Mila used to make towers D and E? So now you have to think about what this picture in Tower E equals, what 2-digit number, so you can add them together and find the total number of bricks. Number 6 says, you are asked to build a tower that has 62 bricks in total. Use some big bricks and some small bricks. How many big bricks and how many small bricks will you use? Okay, so if you have 62 bricks, you need some big, like those tens, and some small, like those ones. How many big bricks and how many small bricks could you use? And there are quite a few different answers here. So think about how many big bricks, how many small bricks could add up to 62. When you are done, you need to make sure that you check your work. Go over every problem and make sure that you added correctly, because it's very easy to make a simple addition mistake. So recount everything, double check that your answers make sense. Of course, when we add 2-digit plus 2-digit, we're not going to get answers like 942. That would be way too big of an answer. So make sure you have correct answers and that they all make sense. Double check for me real quick that your name is at the top and turn it in.